Finally, an 18-volt solution for corded power demands. Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 3 1/4 inch planer model LXP K01 delivers performance, accuracy, versatility, and convenience. The spring-loaded stand elevates the base to protect the blades and the workpiece. The 2-inch blade cutter head, along with its 14,000 RPM motor, is engineered for fast stock removal, and it weighs only 7.4 pounds. Its machined aluminum base increases planing accuracy. It has an electric brake for maximum productivity. Get precise depth adjustments, get quick and convenient blade installation, and it's ergonomically balanced with rubberized grips for added comfort. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.